For students with disabilities between the ages of 18 and 22, the transition out of school can feel like a door closing. But in Pearland, Texas, a group of educators, a passionate group of young adults, and CompuCycle, an electronics recycling company, are proving that it doesn't have to be. This is TechCycle, a workforce training program where students with disabilities learn to safely dismantle and recycle computer systems. They separate RAM, hard drives, batteries, and Wi-Fi cards, following real industry standards and building real job skills. Students develop responsibility, tool safety, teamwork, and quality control. And for many, the results are remarkable.
Absolutely love this because they do it, something they enjoy. There's a simple steps that they follow every single day.
TechCycle launched in Pearland ISD with the $10,000 funding from Texas A&M. Today, it serves students across multiple Houston area school districts. It's designed to be replicated. The program is low cost to launch, aligned with IDEA transition requirements, and structured to become self-sustaining through the value of recovered materials. Your district is ready to give students a real path forward. TechCycle is ready for you.